Bar Home fans, okay, this is like one of my favorite drinks. Actually, it's not my favorite drink, it's my wife's, Kim Camacho's, her favorite drink. It's the Negroni. It's a complete Italian classic. I will say that you're gonna either love it or hate it. It's one of those cocktails that has a very, very bitter element to it. And so some people are just thrown off by that bitterness, like, what the hell, this isn't a cocktail, who the hell would ever drink this? Well, I will tell you, my wife will drink it. And plus, a lot of Europeans will drink it. So the three main ingredients of this are, and this is the traditional Negroni. You use 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of gin, and 1 ounce of Campari, okay? So that's your basic Negroni. You can't go wrong with it, 1 ounce each. You stir it over ice, you pour it over a cube, and you're actually gonna cut, what we call a coin. So you're not gonna zest it, you're gonna actually cut kind of a lemon strip, which we call a coin, and you're gonna express that over the cocktail. Now, for a variation, all you do is make a little bit of a substitute. So this is like a blonde Negroni. So you have a Blanca vermouth, so it's made with more of a white wine base. Then you still have the gin, so the gin remains constant. And then this is actually kind of my favorite version of a Campari, Gran Classico. It has a different sort of sweetness to it and a unique bitterness aftertaste to it. So if you want to mix it up a little bit, and I love this one even more for the summertime. So that's what we're going to do, the standard one for you here today, but I just want to show you how you can make a variety. And if my cameraman can see this over here, if you look behind me, we barreled the what you see here, the blonde Negroni, right here. So you have the Blanca vermouth, you have the gin, and you have the Gran Classico. It's going to sit in there for about 2 months, and it's going to get some of that oaky flavor to it. So just there's things you can do that are easy, but they can be impressive from a whole bartender perspective, because they're like, oh wow, you put that in a barrel, wow, you did this, oh wow, that tastes really expensive, or that tastes unique. So anyway, am I talking too much? Okay, sorry. Let's make a cocktail. Let's make a cocktail, right? So 1 ounce each. So very simple, just get your little jigger. 1 of Antica Campari. We're going to use Death's Door gin. Yeah, I think they're based out of either Wisconsin or Chicago area, I can't remember. Good kind of juniper fragrance to it, a little bit stronger, that area. And then we're going to add the Campari. So this is what's going to give it its unique redness. I know my friend Rob Easter, he's the one that actually turned me on to Gran Classico. So thanks to him. But Campari, it's a little bit, I don't know. They do some things there where it's not quite as natural as we'd like to have, but it's still really good. Don't get me wrong. But I like Gran Classico better. That's just my personal preference. So put some ice in there. Give that a stir. So we're going to stir again. About 30 seconds. And there we go. And then you're just going to take your glass with a cube, pour it right over the top, and instead of, as I said, instead of the zest, we're going to just cut like we call it a coin. So you just cut it, try not to get too much of the pith, and you just express it right over the top, and just put it right in there, just like that. Okay, there we go. Negroni. Negroni, everybody. You go to Europe, you have to order one of these. If you feel like a European, you have to order one of these, or whatever. Just try it. Tastes like a Negroni. We'll see you guys later. John L. Brown, Bar Home, out.